if you take action on the strategy which I am showing today in this video, then you could be making money within the next 2 days. You could be earning your first $100 online. Now this is something which works all over the world, and this is the best way to get started making money online if you haven't made a dime online until now. Okay, so stay excited and smash the like button and smash the subscribe button and watch this video till the end. Many of the people now watch this videos till the end. That's the reason why they never make money online. I don't want that to happen to you. I want you to get the superpower, which is being rich. Okay, so definitely let's jump into our juicy content. Step 1, you just need to go to this website which is known as Digistore24. Now this is an affiliate marketing network which we are gonna utilize for this video. Okay, so you can go to Digistore24. They accept people from all over the world, so you can sign up. Okay, now you just need to find a low ticket offer. That means an offer which pays less money, but in this method we are gonna utilize a low ticket offer. Okay, so this is one of the best offer which we are gonna utilize in this method. This is the Essential Keto ebook. It is a ebook which if someone purchases, then you will get $4.79 of commission. Okay, so you can just click over here and get your affiliate link about this ebook, which is really simple, really easy, and the first step which you need to do. Okay, so once you have got your affiliate link from over here, you just need to press Ctrl+C and your affiliate link is copied. Okay, this is the step 1 which you need to complete. Okay, now step 2 is really simple and really easy. Okay, all you need to do is you need to go to Instagram and you need to find pages just like this which are known as keto pages. Okay, because this is a product which is related to keto. Now you just need to find pages just like this, and you just need to send them a message that what are your shout out prices. Okay, that is the message which you need to send. Just like this, you can type over here what is the price of a shout out on your page. Okay, and they will send you all the prices of shout outs on their page. That is the requirement. Okay, and once you get the price of the shout out, what you can do is that then you can just pay them the money. Okay, you can get a shout out for $30 to $40 on this pages. Okay, and you can see almost 347,000 people are following this page. That means there is a huge audience which is there for this product. Okay, this is a keto product, so there is a big chance that the people who are following this page will be interested in keto products. Okay, so you are also promoting a keto product. So once you just send them a message and ask them the price of the shout out, then you just need to purchase a shout out from them. Okay, and you will be sending a ton of traffic on this page. And even if you get if you just get 1,000 people coming to this product on this page, and only 10 to 20 people buy this product, then you will be easily able to cover the cost of the product. Okay, so that means you are just paying $20 to $30 for a shout out, and only if 120 people purchase this product, then you just can make a lot more money just by doing that stuff. Okay, that is the formula which you need to utilize for this method, and this is something which works absolutely perfectly with this low ticket offers. Okay, so if only 20 people purchase this, then you are gonna get $80 out of that. And this is the strategy which you can absolutely utilize, and this is just a $5 product, so there is a huge chance that people are going to purchase this product in huge quantity, and that is the place from where you will be earning profit from this method. Okay, now you don't have time to send the DM and all that stuff to different Instagram pages. Okay, and many of the pages don't even reply fast. Okay, so you can go to this website which is known as shoutcard.com, and you can find keto pages over here, and then you can purchase a shout out from those keto pages on this website. The shout outs are not much expensive, they are just $20 to $30 to $40 $50. You just need to pay those dollars and you can make $100 to $200 profit from that easily just by purchasing some shout outs. And that is the entire formula, which is really awesome in this strategy, and you can definitely make some good income with this method. Many of the people are utilizing this method, scaling it up and making a lot of money. You can also do this and make quick money for yourself if you haven't made a dime online until now. And two other awesome videos about make money online are appearing on the screen. You can also watch those videos. If you are not having upfront $40 to $50 to invest, you can watch those videos and earn that money, and after that you can apply this method. Okay, see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.